Now the part you have in your hand here, Lee, this is machined in one hit on this Bumotec machine, but what is it?
Okay, this is what we call a turbine head. So it's the end of a dentist tool that goes inside your mouth to drill and grind your teeth. And it operates at 400,000 revs.
So what are the challenges with machining a part like this?
Well, the main challenge is getting the bores at exactly 90 degrees. This thing operates at very high speeds. So the cutting part is in here, and this was previously made in two sections and welded together.
And what was wrong with having two parts that were put together?
With two parts, it was difficult to get the bores in exactly the right position, so the unit used to overheat. So what we've done is we've been able to produce a redesigned item from one piece in a single setup.
And how long would it take to machine this then in one hit?
This is just over 30 minutes complete. Now there's an awful lot of scan machining on the outside so that the aesthetics are right, because that's just as important as having the perfect bore on the inside.